Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install TCG card shop simulator game on your PC. Guys, first you have to open up your Android browser and just search for the Steam. And Steam website will appear on the top, so just open up the Steam website. And here on the right hand side you will find the login option on the top. Just click on the login option and here just log into your account. And guys, if you don't have an account then just create one. And once you created the account then click on the start Steam option you are seeing on the top, and here just download the Steam and install it into your PC. Then just open up the Steam and log into your account. Then just click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is the TCG card shop simulator, and this game will appear on the top. So just click on the first game, and now here in this page just scroll down and you will see option of add to cart. But if you want to download its free version, you just need to scroll down and you will see its free version, which is this. Just click on the install game option, then it's going to download the free version of this game. If you want to download the demo version of the TCG card shop simulator game, just search for it. Here you will see this game demo version. You can also download it for free. If you want to download the actual game, just click on the add to cart option, then click on the view my cart option, and here just click on the continue to payment option, and here just pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. And guys, once you pay the amount, then go to the library option you are seeing on the top, and on the left hand side you will find this game. Just click on that and click on the install, and this is how you can download and install TCG card shop simulator game onto your PC. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video.